Hi honeybees! Today I'm going to be doing a purse unboxing, which I have not done on my channel for at least over a year since my Louis Vuitton video. And today is a luxury handbag, but at a much more affordable price. It is still high-end, of course, and luxury, so it's not by any means inexpensive, but it's not that crazy high price point that we're used to seeing with luxury handbags. Also, towards the end of this video, I want to share some of my makeup favorites that I've been loving recently and just kind of chit-chat with you guys because I haven't made a video like this in forever. And I have kind of a new setup. You'll probably see me changing it up here and there, kind of trying to get the right feel for where I want to have my filming area here at my new home. We've been moved in for a while now, but finally kind of getting situated in my filming space. So first off, today's bag is from Teddy Blake. I've talked about them once before, and I'll link the other video I've done on their bags before. They are made in Italy, and they are made of Italian leather. And the bag that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is the Kim Stampato 11-inch bag, and it's in the black. I wanted it to be super classic, and you'll see why in a second. So let's go ahead and take the dust bag off. It does come with this really nice dust bag. And behind me, you'll see the really nice box it also came in, but I was too excited to leave it in the box. Okay, so this is my new bag. Again, it's the Kim Stampato 11-inch in black. Gold hardware detail. I don't have a lot of structured bags like this, especially a bag that looks like super luxury to me. This reminds me a lot of a few different designers. I'm sure a couple of you will have an opinion on that as well. But I just wanted a very classic statement structured bag. And when I saw this, I was like, that's perfect. So cute. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So this is made of Italian leather. Nice, wow, I love the hardware. You can actually put it into different little slots here. I'm just opening that so that we can get inside the bag. So then the flap just lifts up. And it does come with a shoulder strap, which I probably won't use with a structured bag like this, but you never know, like for traveling or whatever. Beautifully, it actually has a really nice big pocket on the inside. I think you'll be able to see that. And it doesn't have a zipper, it's just a nice pocket. It feels like a suede inside lining. And there's no pocket on the other side, so it's just one big open space. Actually will fit quite a bit. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. It is beautiful. Tell me what you guys think below. I know that it comes in lots of different shades as well, not just black, but I wanted it to be more of a classic bag that's going to last me for a really long time and one that I'll actually reach for. So pretty. So I will leave all of their information down below. I do believe that I have a discount code because I am working with Teddy Blake today. They did kindly gift me this bag and I just can't wait to use it. It's beautiful. It's like the perfect work bag that will go into nighttime as well because it's not too big and just out there, you know what I mean? Like when you want to go out with your girlfriends after work for a drink, or you want to go on date night right after work and you don't have time to change. This is the perfect bag, I think. Very elegant. So I'll make sure to link all their information down below, and maybe I'll do like a what's in my bag when I use that for work. So I also want to talk about a few favorites that I've had recently that maybe I didn't talk on the vlog, or maybe I did, and I'm just gonna talk about a few things that I have been using a lot of lately. So first is the DermaE Firming DMAE Eye Lift. And this is an under eye cream. I only use this in the mornings. It really plumps my under eyes and smooths everything. And as I'm getting a little older, I'm gonna be 33 in July. I can't believe that. So under eye area and chest area and your hands, it's where you're gonna see the first signs of aging. And I noticed just little fine lines, you know, peeking up. So I wanna make sure that I'm really hydrating my under eyes and protecting them from getting any more of that going on, any more aging going on, and this is awesome. Also, they're a cruelty-free brand, and they're made in the USA, and they're a family-owned company, which I really like. I've actually met the owner at a beauty event years ago, and I love their skincare. Pretty much everything I've used from them, I'm not disappointed, but this is something that I would repurchase, whereas other products I've used of theirs, I really liked it, but I liked other products just as much. This one's like my go-to eye cream for the morning lately. So while we were on like a lockdown and quarantine, I wasn't going to work, obviously, working from home, but I still wanted to look fresh and, I don't know, not have, sometimes I wear no makeup, don't get me wrong. I started off wearing no makeup, but then I was like, you know what? I want to look a little more put together. So I use a little concealer or CC cream or both and a little blush and usually a cream eyeshadow or something like that and some mascara. So the CC creams that I'm still so in love with is the It Cosmetics CC cream. I am in the shade Fair. I kind of go between fair and light depending on how much sun I get. And then the Mary Kay CC cream, I actually cut this open because I'm almost out of this and I get every little drop out of it. I'm in the shade Very Light. There's only 5 shades, but they do self-adjust. So both of these are standout products for me that I have been wearing quite a bit. And then, oh, I kind of skipped this. Primer. This has only been something I've been using for about 2 weeks now, but I do think it's worth a mention because I thought I wasn't gonna like it. I love Benefit Porefessional, the original. And this one is the Porefessional Hydrate Primer, but it's still a pore filler without being dry. It's so crazy. I love, love, love this, and I think I would repurchase this over Porefessional. I have combo skin, so I have oily to normal skin. I don't have dry skin, but I could imagine that this would be great for dry skin people who have larger pores and want to still be able to have that pore filling effect. So it does both, and it makes my makeup go on flawless, and I've never had an issue with this. So definitely suggest that. The cream eyeshadows that I have been using over and over are the Charlotte Tilbury, which I don't have on hand to show you at my desk here, but the Milk Makeup, are they called eye pigments? Yeah, eye pigments have been my go-to, and they have been for the last 2 years. These last forever. I've had this one for at least 2 years now, and I probably have at least half of this still remaining, and because it's in a tube and you're not digging your finger into it, it's not going to get unhygienic where you feel like, oh gosh, I gotta throw this out. Also, it doesn't dry out as quickly as potted cream eyeshadows. So these are awesome. You can really control how much comes out of the little, I just like put a little dot on my finger and, you know, apply it. They are super creamy, very pigmented, and you can wear them on their own or use them as a base. Today I used it as a base for the other shadow palettes that I have been so in love with again. I purchased these years ago. If you guys have been with me for a long time, then you know I loved the Lorac Unzip palettes so much, and I still do. I just recently started using them again, and I can't believe I ever stopped using them. They are so beautiful. For the last, I think at least 3 weeks now, I have been using these every single day. I haven't touched another eyeshadow. So the one that I've actually loved the best between the Lorac Unzipped and the Lorac Unzipped Gold is the Gold. Reason being is it does have warmer shadows, and I feel like warmer shades do complement me really well. And they're just the most beautiful, shimmery. They're not shimmery actually. They have a sheen, but they're not super glittery or have too much going on. And they just give so much definition without being overboard. They are they pick up a little bit. They're not powdery, they just pick up very quickly. They're very pigmented. I can swatch a few for you guys so you can kind of get an idea. These are the shades that I've been using the most from the glitter or the sheen side. There's more of like a peachy one, more golden, and then one that's more champagne. 1, 2, and 3. Aren't those stunning? But then look at the mattes, because the matte browns in this palette are amazing as well. And I've been using it every day. The darker shades I don't use as often. Can you see that? I hope so. These are the 2 matte shades right here. Beautiful palette. Still available at Ulta. I was so happy about that because sometimes I feel bad when I talk about favorites that when I shop my stash and it's not available anymore. That happens a lot with lipsticks, but these palettes are available. I already did check Now I will show you the original Lorac Unzip. This is more cool tone, so if you like some like pinky, rose gold, cool tone, purpley shades, you will love this. And I do love this palette, and I used this one today for my eye look. Look at those. My goodness, they're stunning. So I'll swatch the 2 shades I have on my, actually I have 3 shades on my eye right now. And then I have this matte brown too, so 4 shades total. So these are the 4 shades I have on my eyes. Isn't that pretty? So, so pretty. It takes a lot for me to get excited about makeup lately because I got in kind of like a makeup rut. But now that I decluttered my entire makeup collection, I only kept things that I know that I love, and I've just been shopping my stash and really enjoying rediscovering a lot of products. Speaking of that, I have 2 more products that were like rediscovers that I can't believe I ever stopped using them. First is the First is the Charlotte Tilbury blush, and this is the Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop blusher in Love Glow. This is so beautiful. It has like a matte pink in the middle and then a glowy circle around the middle shade. So I just swirl it all together and it just is the perfect pinky glowy cheek. It's stunning. I'll just do it, like, look at just from my finger how beautiful that is. See, so it has like a little bit of that peachy golden tone to it, but it's very pinky as well, which I've been experimenting with again, even though of course today I did wear more of a coral blush. It's a Tarte blush I have on today, but if I'm gonna do more of like that cooler tone look all over, then I will use this blush. It's perfection. And then the other thing is the Natasha Denona Glow. This highlight is so beautiful. So if you just like that beautiful, effortless cheek, you know, highlight, but you don't want it to be a bam, like this that I have on today is a bam. This is a bam highlight. This is like, whoa, highlight. And that's this one. I'll show you that in a second. Don't worry. But this one from Natasha Denona is more of you're a natural beauty. You glow from within and out. Does that make any sense? Probably not. I haven't filmed in a while, okay? Give me a break. But just like more of that natural, effortless, I'm just a beauty queen highlight. That's this baby right here. And this is like an all over highlight. Do you see this? I like highlight everywhere, especially with the trend being like off the shoulder shirts lately. You gotta do the body glow too. But hopefully you'll see what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, you do. It's all right here. Do you see that? That's just so beautiful. Yeah, okay, you get the idea. I love seeing highlights under lights. It's just like bam, bam, bam. Okay, here's the in your face Whoa Mama highlight, okay? Pixie by Petra. Delicate Dew. These are the glowy glossomer duos, but the name is Delicate Dew. As you can see, I've given this lots of love. There is more of a golden shade and more of like a pinky champagne shade. I do a little bit of both, but focus more on the pink champagne because I am pretty fair. And I have that on my cheekbones today. Gorgeous, right? Okay, I'm gonna do them individually so you can see. They are so creamy, they almost are like wet feeling, and I've actually used these as eyeshadows as well, like eyeshadow toppers. Gorgeous. That's the darker one, that's the lighter one. Yes. Okay, 2 more things. I still have been loving my Urban Decay Brow Blade, so yeah, don't get me wrong by saying I like this brow product too, but I do. So I've been using the BDB $1 billion brows. The micro, I can't read it because it's all rubbing off, but it's called the Micro Blade Perfect Brow Pen. And I got this in a BoxyCharm, and it's like a liquid brow pen, okay? So it has 3 little brush kind of stroke thingies there. So it emulates brush hairs. So when you're brushing it up, it kind of makes little strokes like if someone was doing brow blading on you. which I've had my brows microbladed, but I do still darken them when I do makeup, because if not, they look too light. So this is awesome. It literally stains and stays on your eyes. I have to scrub this sucker off my brows or it will be like permanently on my brows. If you wanted to wash around your brows, I don't know if that's really the greatest because you still have skin under your brows and you can still break out under your brows. But if it was like a desperate situation where you're like, tomorrow I'm gonna have 5 minutes to get ready and I need 20 to do my brows, then I would totally think that your brows would be fine if you slept on them, because this thing is crazy good. I don't know if it comes in different shades, but if it does, I'll list what my shade name is down below. Okay, let's talk nails. I have been using press-on nails for the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I think it's been 3 weeks. I tried the Kiss ones, which I actually have on again right now. And I tried the Red Aspen and one other, I feel like. I was gonna do a separate video on this, but I feel like I'll just tell you right now, I'm loving doing press-ons. It's all about application, because if you don't do the right steps during application, they aren't gonna last 2 weeks, 1 week, whatever. I get bored with the press-ons. I leave them on for about a week and then I change them out because it's just so easy and fast. Why not? So that's what I've been doing, but you can easily wear these for 2 weeks. The Kiss and the Red Aspen. I like them both equally. I thought I liked the Red Aspen even more, which I do really like the shininess of the Red Aspens. They don't get as dull as the Kiss. They do last a bit longer without having one fall off. These I've had on for 5 days and I've had none fall off. The Red Aspen, I went 9 days before one fell off, and then I could have gone another like probably week, but I kept them on like 3 more days and then I put these on because I just got bored of the color. But they are also really, really good. So until nail salons are back in business and doing their thing, I will be wearing press-ons and really enjoying having fun with it. So I'll try and link some of my favorites down below for you guys. And I don't sell Red Aspen nails, but I was doing a party for my friend Sarah, and Kristen Game, who you guys know I love her so much, I call her my sister, she now sells them. So I will link her information down below. Yeah, if she supports a company, you really know it's good. Like, she's someone I really trust. So that's actually why I ended up doing the party for Sarah and trying the Red Aspen ones. So I think that is it. I would love for you guys to comment down below, tell me what you think of my new purse, and maybe tell me 1 or 2 of your recent favorites in makeup or skincare. And I would love to hear from you to see what you would like to see more of, if you like seeing these favorites. I have an empties video coming up very soon. I also have like an Amazon haul and review for you guys. I thought it would be fun, instead of just showing you the things that came in the mail, to get them, wear them, or use them, and then tell you what I think about them during the haul. So that's what I'll be doing soon too. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.